RailWayZ is a smart railway station navigation and assistance system developed to enhance the passenger experience inside Indian railway stations. The primary objective of RailWayZ is to reduce confusion and save time by helping passengers locate essential facilities within the station through a simple and digital platform. As visible on the home screen, the interface is clean, minimal, and easy to understand, making it accessible for users of all age groups. Passengers often face difficulty in locating basic services such as restrooms, ticket counters, food stalls, waiting areas, and exits, especially during peak hours and crowded situations. RailWayZ addresses this problem by allowing users to directly search for the facility they require instead of depending on station staff or other passengers. Once a facility is selected, the system provides clear and structured step-by-step guidance to help passengers reach their desired location within the station premises. Each navigation step is designed to be simple and precise, ensuring smooth movement without confusion or delay. This step-by-step assistance is especially useful for first-time travelers, elderly passengers, and people who are unfamiliar with the station layout. By following these instructions, passengers can confidently reach their destination without requiring any external assistance. The platform focuses on clarity, usability, and accessibility, making it effective even in crowded and high-pressure railway environments. RailWayZ also helps in reducing unnecessary crowd formation near enquiry counters and help desks. The system is designed by keeping real-world railway scenarios in mind, where quick decision-making and accurate navigation play a crucial role in passenger comfort. By digitizing station navigation, RailWayZ contributes to smoother passenger movement and better station management. RailWayZ is developed using modern web technologies, ensuring fast performance, scalability, and a responsive user experience